Hello everyone, my name is Cindy and I'm a Patron Services Associate here at Paul Sawyer, and today I'm going to show you how to place a hold using our online catalog. Excuse me. So what you need to do this is you're going to need to have your library card number and PIN number. The library card number is a 12-digit number on your library card, and the PIN number is a 4-digit number that you would have had to make when you signed up for your library card. You're also going to need access to our online catalog, which you can get by going to our website at pspl.org. And finally, you're going to want to make sure that we have your updated contact information. So make sure that your phone number and email address, especially your phone number right now, are accurate. So first off, right now we have a bunch of library cards that are in circulation, and that's okay as long as your account is still active, so meaning that you either renewed it or used it fairly recently, usually in the last year or so. Your card should still work. Our most recent one is this green one right here, so this is what we've been giving out, but you might also have this brown one or this orange one. The most important thing about your library card is your 12-digit library card number, which is on the card. It's going to be next to a barcode. It might be above the barcode, it might be below the barcode, but it will be 12 digits, and it's going to look like this. And then you need to go to our website, which is www.pspl.org, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so here we are at our library's website. You can see the URL at the top, pspl.org, and it has our name and our contact information, so you're in the right place. If you're going to place an item on hold, I recommend that the first thing you do is go to this link up here on the top left that says log in to your account. It'll make things easier. So let's click log into your account. And it's going to take you to this page. You're going to see that it says library card number or easy username. Really, we're only using library card number. No one I know of has an easy username, so just focus on library card number. And then you're going to want to take that 12-digit number on your card. Remember, it looks like this. And you're going to want to type these 12 digits into this box. You don't need to put in any spaces or hyphens or anything, just those 12 digits. So I'm going to type in the number to our fake account right now. You can see that I didn't put in any spaces or hyphens, so that's good. And then here it says you need your PIN or your easy password. Once again, I don't believe anyone has an easy password, so you're going to need to type in your PIN. Your PIN is a 4-digit number. You should have set it up. Well, you did set it up when you set up your library card. We wouldn't have been able to let you finish the process if you hadn't. We usually recommend that you use the last 4 digits of your phone number, but you can put in any 4-digit combination. Some people like their birth year or 4 numbers that are special to them, but we do recommend the last 4 digits of your phone number. So if you're not sure, try those or give us a call because we can actually help you reset the PIN over the phone. We cannot give you this 12-digit library card number over the phone. It's against our privacy policy. But if we can confirm who you are, we can help you reset your PIN. So I'm going to enter this card's PIN number. There's 4 digits. And if you are using a computer that you know and trust, you can click Remember Me, but I don't want to do that for now, so I'm just going to hit Log In. And you see that we've gotten to our information. It shows the name on this card, the contact information, including the address, the phone number, and the email. It actually tells you what the library card number is and tells you if it's active or not. If any of this is wrong, you can just click on change contact information. You can type in whatever missing information you need. So, 1, and put in that in, and then you're going to need to put in your library PIN number. Once again, it's that 4-digit number, and click save. And it says your information was saved up there. So when I go to summary, now we see I have that new information that I added. So make sure that your contact information is correct, because otherwise we're not going to be able to tell you when you have a hold. From this summary page, you can also look at your account activity. Right now, I don't have any loans on this card, and I don't have anything overdue, but I have placed 2 items on hold. You can see that hold is 2, arrived is 0. That means they are not waiting for me at the library. I haven't received a call or an email yet. I'm just waiting to get these. You can also check out your finds, look at any save list or save searches that you have, but we're not going to talk about that right now. What I want to talk about right now is how you place that hold. So let's go back to the library home screen. We can see up here it says library home, and we click on that. Wait just a second, and here we are back at our home screen. If you want to search our online catalog, you need to go to this box right here that says search the catalog. Searching the catalog means you're going to search the online catalog so you can look up anything you want. In this box, you can type in a variety of things. You can put in like an author's name, a book title, a subject, anything you want. But I think I am going to just put in the name of one of my favorite authors, Helen Oyeyemi, and you can either hit the enter key on your keyboard or click search. And that's going to take you to your search results. And so you'll just scroll down on them and you'll choose whichever item it is that you want. Let's say that I wanted to check out gingerbread. I've never read it before, but I think that I would like to. So I'm going to click this orange place hold button. And you see this window pops up that says place a hold. It tells you the title that you want to place a hold on, and then it says pickup location. However, if you click on pickup location, there's not another option. We only have one pickup location right now, so you don't have to do anything with that. But you're going to click submit hold, and then we can see this green bar comes up top that says holds placed successfully. If you missed that bar, you were like looking away or someone was talking to you, you can double check and see if you actually placed gingerbread on hold. You can do that by going to your account. Right now it says Jane's account because the name of our account is Jane Doe, but this will say your name. So if I was logged into my account, it would say Cindy's account. And you can just click on that. And you can click on view holds on this page or account activity. I'm just going to click on view holds because it's easier. And now we have 3 items on hold, including gingerbread. I'm going to go back though to our results by hitting the back button. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Now, what if I wanted to check out a book or place a book on hold that wasn't available? You can still place it on hold. It's the exact same process. You simply click the orange place hold button. It'll tell you the title. Once again, you don't have to do anything with pickup location, and you're going to click submit hold. Hold placed successfully. If we go to our account up here and we click on pending holds, we can see that I have 4 items now on hold, including this one that was shown as not available. But if you notice, there are different statuses depending on the book. So gingerbread was available, and we can see that status says in transit. That means that our circulation department has been informed, and they are currently trying to grab it and check it out for you. However, Boy Snow Bird, since that was unavailable, instead it says position in queue number 1. That lets me know that I am the first person in line to get that book. So whenever the book comes back and gets checked in, I'm going to be the first person in line to get it. So if you're trying to check out a book that usually has a lot of people waiting for it, like a James Patterson novel or a Nora Roberts novel, you can check then and see where you are, and just be able to keep track of when you're going to get that book next. So that's pretty much it to check to place a hold on a book, but I do want to show you one thing. I'm going to click Log Out up here, and you can see that it no longer says Jane's account. The reason I did that is because I wanted to show you what it looks like if you didn't log in before placing an item on hold. So I'm going to make sure I'm logged out here. Good. Okay. And then since I'm at this screen, I can also search for an item on this screen. Let's just say I'm looking for a romance. I look at my search results. I think Christmas in Winter Valley looks interesting, so I click on the title. I read the summary. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. And I'm going to click this orange Place Hold button. Now, if you remember last time, immediately a window popped up that said place a hold, and all you have to do is confirm. This time, it's asking me to log into my account. You cannot place an item on hold if you aren't logged into your account. Likewise, if you don't yet have an account, you also can't place an item on hold. So, you're going to need to put in that library card number. Remember, it's 12 digits. And then you're going to need to type in that 4-digit PIN. And click Login. But I have made an error. It says the credentials entered are incorrect. When this pops up, that means that you've either put in the wrong library card number or the wrong PIN number. And I already know what I did wrong, because my library card number is supposed to be 12 digits, and this is only 11, so I skipped a number. It looks like I forgot to put in a 0 here. So I'm going to see if that solves the problem by clicking Login. Right. And because it immediately went to this place a hold window, that means I'm correct. And if you look up here to the top right-hand corner, you can see Jane's account, meaning I'm once again logged in. So I can just click Submit Hold. Hold placed successfully. I can double check. I now have 5 pending holds. When I view my holds, Christmas in Winter Valley is right there. So that's all it takes to place a hold using our online catalog. I hope you found this helpful. And remember, if you do have a problem or a concern or just want a little bit of help, you can always contact us. You can give us a phone call at 502-352-2665. You can also use our chat services and email us anytime. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.